Hi, this is Jamie Jackson with Wanderlust Travel. It is December 6, 2020. I just checked into the sanctuary at Kiawah Island Golf Resort in South Carolina. This is my ocean view king room. It's nice and spacious. Light colors on the walls to make it nice and beachy and airy. The sitting area and desk, TV. We have the plantation shutters on the doors. There's two closets there, the kind of little wet bar. And I want to show you here, they have a fridge that is stocked where you can purchase the items in there. And then they have a little honor bar here. But they also have a second fridge in here that is completely empty that you can put anything of yours in there, which I think is a really nice touch. I'm going to show you outside to the view. This is considered an ocean view room. Beautiful large balcony with two chairs and a little table. You can see it's a gorgeous day in the 60s here today. We have a tree out and we have the beach breeze. We're going to head back inside real quick. I'm going to show you the bathroom. You can see there's a window in there to the bathroom. You can shut those plantation shutters so you have the privacy if you would like. You open the doors. You have the nice soaking tub here. As you can see in there right now, but you can always shut those. Double sink. There's the toilet in there. Shower right here. So I'm going to be exploring Kiawah for the night and then heading downtown to Charleston. We love planning sea and city trips for clients. So if you have questions about coming to visit Charleston or Kiawah, let us know.